welcome back to Zevaulia. As mentioned in my previous video about plastic waste, in this video I will be sharing a DIY idea on how to redesign or recreate your dust bag or any simple bag that you have into a shopping bag. This bag will be more on the feminine side, so let me know in the comment section down below if you also want a design that's more neutral. First thing you need to do is to lay out the pieces you will stick and sew on later. You can change it around to your liking later too if you want. To put the ribbon lining in place so it won't move around, use a needle or pin to hold it down. I am pinning down the corners and middle point and cutting neatly the edges. Don't forget to sew in the ribbon later. This is an iron patch. See the back part? It has glue. We will iron this on the badge so it will stick. I suggest to still sew after though, so it will last longer. Before ironing, make sure you are sure and happy with the layout of the iron patches. Here I am rethinking the placements just to be sure. Before ironing the patches, don't forget to use an old cloth or small thin towel on top of the patches. This will avoid burning on some types of bags that doesn't do well with hot heat. To make sure the iron patches stick on longer and can withhold any washes, I highly recommend sewing in some points on each patch. As you can see here, I'm demonstrating sewing in points on each patch and make sure the points are balanced out. Don't forget to also sew in the upper section of the ribbons into the bag. For an added touch, I'm also adding a corsage. The lower section of the ribbons aren't sewed on yet. Tuck in the bottom ends below the corsage for a bow look and sew it on. Use any remaining bits of the ribbon that we cut off earlier to give a cute accent on the handles of the bag and sew in the ends. This bag is also foldable, so it's compact to store in your bag. Use a ribbon to tie it in place. All done! Super cute! Do try this at home and comment down below to share your thoughts and if you have any questions. Hope you like your new bag!